Hello friends and welcome to another video in regard. I am Suraj and I would be your host for today. In today's video, I would be showing you how you could modify a waterproof casing of GoPro Hero 6 or Hero 5 to accept your external microphone. GoPro is a waterproof camera by itself, and for motovlogging you need to remove the side case in case you want to have this external microphone go inside. What comes with the GoPro is this skeleton, and the skeleton has its own opening out here. Now typically what happens is there's a lot of dust that is there on the road. So while you're traveling on your motorcycle, there's a huge amount of dust particles which come and hit your lens, this LCD screen, and also this makes the entire area around it very dirty. Apart from that, what it also does is, it makes the HDMI port and in and around these particular openings which you can see. So, it gets completely damaged. So I would say if you use the GoPro on your motorcycle in a country like ours, India, where there's a lot of dust, this could get spoiled in no time. It's perfect to use this if you are just doing some kind of walking around and taking videos with your hand, and for any external activity, but not for motor vlogging. And this is out of experience. I've been using this camera for quite some time, and I've always found it difficult. After every ride that I come back, I need to have this completely clean and ensure that there are a lot of flies which hit the screen. So I've actually got a screen protector here. Now all this care needs to be taken. There have been an instance when my screen guard also got broken just because it got hit by a small stone. Now these are all the risks that we carry. This camera is a very expensive camera, and this is the risk that we carry, or easily that is available online, is this case. Now this case comes with the side opening here. So you see the opening. So this is an opening here. Now this opening again is large. So though a lot of the area in and around gets protected, but the HDMI port is still open, and there's a lot of dust that can get accumulated through that. So again, this is not another interesting solution. And also the most important aspect is this particular casing requires this lens to be removed. So you need to pull this out and turn around, take the lens out, and then put it in there. So again, there's a risk of damaging this particular lens cover. All of us are aware that the accessories for GoPro are not cheap, and availability is the second question mark. We're using a full skeleton, which is a full waterproof casing which is there, and I would be converting this to adapt for the mic. Now what I've done is I've put a small hole here. So you see the hole there? So I've given a small hole here. So objective would be to have this mic go inside, right? So we need to enlarge the hole so that this goes in. For this, we would be needing this particular tool, which is a file, which we're needing this file. So let's get started. I've got the hole that is perfect. So there's no error at all. There's no error. There's no way that dust can pass very easily through this. Dust will pass, but then the quantity would be less. But then the next thing that we need to look is whether the alignment of the hole is the same. So no, it is not. So there's some, if you look at it, it's not going in easily. So the thing is, there's a small error. So if you see this, the hole needs to still come a little bit down so it works. So let's work on that. So here we go, and so this is it. Perfect. So it fits in perfect. But what we will be doing is we will be slightly increasing the size, so there's a little bit of play on the outer ring. For that, we will use this file. So here we go. There's a little play which is available. So camera and so you look at it here. So the positioning of the holes are perfect. All you see is the mic hole, the C port adapting opening, and here we go. So this is how it looks, and I think this will help us save a lot of dust. And here it goes. Now this is a perfect setup. There are no margins of error. You can see the gaps. It's perfect. If you want to look at the finishing, this is how the finishing looks. A little bit more filing and a small sandpaper rub will give a very smooth finish for this. If you've liked the video, please hit the like button and do remember to subscribe to our channel.